Hi, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to teach you divisibility rules. Divisibility rules are used to find the division of a given number by a divisor in a shortcut way without doing actual division. So there are different divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. Now divisibility rules for 2 is, if the unit digit is even number, then the given number is divisible by 2. For example, 246, unit digit is 6, which is an even number, so 246 is divisible by 2. Now, the divisibility rule for 3. The divisibility rule for 3 is, whatever the number they have given it to you, you have to add the digits. For example, 4, 5, 453. So we have to first add all the digits. So 4 plus 5 plus 3, which is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 453 is divisible by 3. Suppose I am taking another example as 2, 0, 3, 4. Now we'll add all the digits. 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 2034 is divisible by 3. Now let me explain you the divisibility rule for 4. The last two digits of a given numbers are divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. For example, 764. The last two digits 4, 64 are divisible by 4. So 764 is divisible by 4. Now, let me take another example. 1024. Last two digits are divisible by 4. So, the given number 1024 is divisible by 4. Now, let me explain you the divisibility rule for 5. If the unit digit is either 0 or either 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. For example, 435. The unit digit is 5. So the 435 is divisible by 5. Now let me explain you another example. If I had taken 4380, the unit digit is 0. So the given number is divisible by 5. Thank you. Now next is divisibility rule for 6. The divisibility rule for 6 is, if the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, both, then the given number is divisible by 6. For example, 4284. The unit digit is an even number, so this 4284 is divisible by 2. Now for 3, we'll add all these digits. 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4, which is 18. 18 is divisible by 2. 18 is divisible by 3. So 4284 is divisible by 3. Now the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So 4284 is divisible by 6. Now the next number is divisibility rule for 9. It is similar, it is same as the divisibility rule for 3. Here the given number, we have to add all the digits of the given numbers, and if the addition is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. For example, 7 to 9. Now we'll add all the digits. So 7 plus 2 plus 9, which is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So 7 to 9 is divisible by 9. Now let me take another example as 6561. Now we'll add all these digits. So 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So 6561 is divisible by 9. Now next divisibility rule is for 10. If the unit digit is 0, then the given number is divisible by 10. For example, 4080. The unit digit is 0, so this given number is divisible by 10. Now next is divisibility rule for 11. The divisibility rule for 11 is a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits in odd places and the sum of its digits in even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. For example, 1331. Now we have to select the alternate numbers. We have to add them. So 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. Then we have to subtract these two numbers. Now here we get 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the given number 1331 is divisible by 11. Let me take another example as 14641. Now first we have to add the alternate digits 1, 6 and 1. So 1 plus 6 plus 1, which is 8. Then we have to add the remaining numbers 4 plus 4, which is 8. Now we have to subtract these two, so it will be 0. So the given number 14641 is divisible by 11. Let me take another example as 161051. First we'll add the alternate digits. So 1 plus 0 plus 6. So 1 plus 0 plus 6, which is 7. Then 5 plus 1 plus 6. 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is again 7. Now we'll subtract these two numbers. We'll get 0. So the given number 161051 is divisible by 11. Thank you.